2026 aesthetic color trends and luxury lighting ideas for modern luxury interiors. In 2026, interior design takes a deep breath. The loudness of past trends fades into silence, replaced by a new era of calm sophistication. It's the year of mindful luxury, spaces that speak softly through color, light, and texture. A world where aesthetic beauty and emotional warmth exist in perfect balance. The story of 2026 interiors is not about excess. It's about elegance that whispers. Color becomes the soul of space this year. Designers move away from sterile whites and harsh contrasts, embracing warmth, depth, and natural emotion. The palette of 2026 feels human, grounded in nature and emotion. Shades like soft clay, almond cream, warm sand, and muted olive form the base of the modern luxury home. They are hues that calm the senses and reflect a return to serenity. Inspired tones dominate, not for nostalgia, but for grounding. Terracotta and burnt sienna meet gentle beige and faded caramel, a palette inspired by natural minerals and desert landscapes. These colors invite warmth into clean modern lines, softening the edges of luxury interiors. They create harmony, a quiet equilibrium between minimalism and comfort. Muted greens are another star of 2026, tones like sage, eucalyptus, and moss. They represent renewal, wellness, and balance. When paired with creamy neutrals or light oak wood, they bring an organic freshness to spaces. Green is no longer just a color, it's a feeling of clarity, nature, and air. Meanwhile, soft pastels return, but in a mature, elegant way. Powder blush, misty lilac, and pale sky blue appear as accents rather than statements. Used sparingly, they add emotional warmth without overwhelming the room. These subtle tones pair beautifully with ivory walls, warm wood, and brushed gold finishes. They feel timeless, not trendy. Glass lighting fixtures evolved this year into art forms: clear, smoked, or frosted glass paired with metallic frames. They refract light like jewelry, scattering reflections softly across textured walls. In the world of quiet luxury, glass is no longer cold or industrial, it's warm and sensuous. Sustainable design also influences lighting choices. Smart dimming systems, low-energy LEDs, and recycled glass fixtures show that modern luxury doesn't ignore responsibility. True opulence today comes with consciousness, beauty that respects both people and the planet. In 2026, the concept of luxury lighting expands beyond fixtures and into experience. Candlelight makes a return, not as decoration, but as emotion. Imagine soft flickers reflecting on a stone wall, or gentle flames warming a dinner table of neutral tones. Candlelight reminds us of intimacy, a luxury that no technology can replace. The beauty of modern interiors lies in how color and light interact. A warm caramel wall glows golden under evening light. A sage green cushion softens beside an alabaster lamp. Every shade tells a story that changes with time. This dance between color and illumination is the true mark of modern luxury. It's alive, emotional, and timeless. To bring this aesthetic to life, designers use contrast thoughtfully. Not in loud black and white combinations, but in tone and texture. A matte wall against a glossy table, a wool rug beneath marble, a linen curtain beside polished brass. The contrasts of 2026 are quiet but powerful, giving depth and dimension to simplicity. This year's interiors are more personal, too. Instead of following rigid design formulas, homeowners are encouraged to express emotion through subtle details. A clay vase on a stone counter. A caramel tone throw on a cream sofa. A single art light illuminating a painting that means something personal. Modern luxury is no longer about perfection, it's about connection. And within that connection, lighting plays the emotional role. Imagine a pendant light casting soft waves of gold across an oak table, or a floor lamp creating a tranquil glow in the corner of a reading space. These quiet touches define the new luxury, spaces that feel warm, lived in, and deeply human. The influence of nature remains strong in 2026 interiors. Daylight-inspired lighting systems that adjust color temperature throughout the day make homes feel in tune with natural rhythm. Morning light feels cool and energizing. Evening light becomes soft and golden. It's a design philosophy that enhances well-being as much as aesthetics. This marriage of nature, color, and light forms the foundation of modern luxury design. It's about more than what meets the eye. It's about how a room makes you feel. Every texture, hue, and glow is chosen to create serenity. The home becomes a retreat, a sanctuary from the world's noise.